Good morning everyone. My name is Dr. Rekha Thote. I am consultant gynecologist and obstetrician practicing in Thane since last 18 years. I am attached to Cure Groups of Hospital. I am a consultant gynecologist, colposcopist, gynac endoscopist, and I deal with a high risk obstetric critical care unit. I have certain questions with me which follower has given us. If you have any query regarding pregnancy, I am here to explain your queries. To start with, there are certain questions with me. I'll go one by one. The first question is, what should I do for normal delivery? Now, I need to tell you, no doctor will decide which patient goes for a normal delivery or cesarean. So, if a pregnant lady completes her 38, 39, 40 weeks of pregnancy, and if she gets a pain, then after starting of the pregnancy delivery pain, labor pains only, we can decide whether she is progressing for the normal delivery, or if there is any indication, if there is any problem with the delivery, if her blood pressure is increases, if baby's heartbeat is reduced, or if the baby has any distress. In such a condition, we stop the process of the normal delivery and we deliver immediately by doing a cesarean section. There are two conditions where we decide during antenatally that this patient will not go for a normal delivery. Now those are, one is the placenta previa, that is the placenta, that is VAR, the placenta which is placed on the mouth of the uterus. And second condition is when the first pregnancy and the baby is in the bridge presentation. That means baby का vertex, the head is not down, the bridge, जिसे मराठी में हम कहते हैं पायाड़ू, और पैर नीचे रहना. So these are the two condition. ये दो condition है, वहाँ पे हम कहते हैं कि ये patient को हम normal trial देंगे नहीं. Date एक बार मैच्योरिटी ऑफ द बेबी होने के बाद डेट दिया जाता है, और ये दो कंडीशन में हम पेशेंट को इलेक्टिव सिजेरियन लेते हैं. रेस्ट ऑल कंडीशन पेशेंट को पेन आना बहुत जरूरी है. पेन आने के बाद डिसाइड किया जाता है कि ये बेबी नीचे आ रहा है, पेन बराबर हो रहा है, माउथ ऑफ द यूट्रस जो थैली का मुंह है बराबर खुल रहा है कि नहीं. ये सब कुछ देखने के बाद पेशेंट पूरा नॉर्मल डिलीवरी 12 या 13 घंटे तक होता है कि नहीं वो देखा जाता है, एंड पेशेंट डिलीवर्ड नॉर्मली. और इन बिटवीन बीच में हमें वो प्रोसेस स्टॉप करके इमीडिएटली माँ और